Are you a fan of Agatha Christie? Do you love detective novels? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode. If you are new here, my name is Ronak, a YouTuber, book blogger, podcaster and freelancer. On this channel, we talk about book review, recommendation, finance, productivity and little bit of how to make money online. So if you love any of this topic, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite author and one of my favorite book, which is Death on the Nile by Agatha Christie. Firstly, thank you so much HyperCollins for this amazing books. I'm a really big fan of Agatha Christie. I have read a lot of books but never made video on it. But I'm sure that I will make more videos on Agatha Christie for sure because I love detective novels, and this is another great novel featuring Hercules Poirot. If you have read The Murder on the Orient Express by Agatha Christie, तो उसके एंड में एक सेंटेंस है कि there is a situation on the Nile and this is that story. Let's talk about the story first. So this story starts in England and apparently it has a love triangle between two young women who are old friends, and there is one boy जिसका नाम Simon है. So Jacqueline is engaged to the Simon and they both are very poor. They don't have any kind of money. They don't are not kind of from the rich background. And there is another friend, Jacqueline की old friend, which is Lynette, who is inherent lot of money. He is one of the rich person. She's one of the rich person, and Jacqueline visit Lynette because Jacqueline don't have any money and Simon don't have any money, and Lynette have a lot of money. So Jacqueline asked Lynette ki give job to the Simon because they can live happily and everything. So they both are own friends and everything happens. Now here is a big twist. Simon breaks the engagement with Jacqueline, और Simon अपनी engagement break कर देता है, and she goes with the Lynette because obviously Lynette के पास बहुत पैसा होता है, which is a typical story in the American background, we can say that. Now the both Lynette and Simon get into the cruise or in the Egypt, and वहाँ से actually spices और kind of twist शुरू हो जाते हैं. Now the first murder victim is Lynette, who is shot in head, and the prime suspect is Simon because उससे शायद पैसे चाहिए होते हैं इसलिए. And there is another twist कि वहाँ पे जैकलीन भी होती है, यानी कि now another twist कि जैकलीन भी murder हो सकते हैं because Jacqueline is also present on that cruise, and everything is so messed up. Who killed Lynette is the big question. But there is our detective is there, Poirot, ki he wants to solve this case. Now there is another twist. Lynette has a valuable purse which is stolen from her room, and there are chances that उसकी maid ने, यानी कि Louise उसकी maid का नाम होता है, probably she have stolen that store because there are a lot of people available, but there are chances that Louise might have stolen that all the pearls. But here is another thing or another twist we can say. Now Louise, उसकी जो maid होती है, she is also dead and no one knows who killed Louise. And at the same time Jacqueline, यानी कि Jacqueline सिमोन की एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड होती है, वो सिमोन के पैर में गोली यानी कि लेग में गोली मार देती है. To add some spices in the story, there is a novelist present on that cruise कि she wanted to write the novel, or she wanted to include Hercules Poirot, who is a detective in her novel, because how she figured out everything because he is famous, and she figured out who is murderer, and at the same time she is also get murdered. So it becomes a lot of spices, lot of murder after murder, and that's where the detective started analyzing all the scenes very carefully because no one knows who is killing, because ultimately first Lynette is dead, उसके बाद सिमोन के पैर में गोली, then Louise उसकी जो मेड होती है वो भी मर चुकी होती है, then there is another victim जो नॉवेलिस्ट होता है, वो भी नॉवेलिस्ट होती है, वो भी मर चुकी होती है. So almost 3-4 मर्डर हो चुके होते हैं, no one knows who or she is doing it. So that's where everyone gets started spicy, and the twist becomes really attractive while reading the book. Talking about this book and how he find out, I'm not going to tell you who is the murderer and who is actually doing all this murder, or who are the people who doing all this murder. But our Hercules Poirot started with a nail polish, and he figured out who is actually the murderer, who is murderer. So ultimately that's how the twist is. Talking about the book size is very less. It's hardly 300 pages, so it's not easy. I finished this in around one night because Agatha Christie is one of my favorite author. Talking about the twists are really interesting. It's not kind of typically think, but obviously there is a love triangle, so it makes more interesting because one is rich person, one is poor person, and poor goes to the rich, and all of those things happen in this book. So that's why thing is really interesting. Talking about the language, if you have not read a lot of international books, then this might be not your cup of tea, but the language is easy, language is lucid. It's a very when you start reading, then you will understand why it is easy to read. It's not that there is a lot of description in the book, because I might be biased towards Agatha Christie because she is my favorite author, but I have read a lot of her work and she always make to the point. It's not that she is doing a lot of description and making the lengthy novel, because you can see this book is only 300 pages. Also, there is a movie coming on the date on the Nile. There is a trailer is already out 4 months back. In the October the movie is coming, and I'm desperately excited because इसमें Wonder Woman भी है. Almost all my favorite actors are present in the movie, so I'm so excited. If you have not watched the trailer, you can go check that trailer out. Is good. This movie is going to be a definitely good. I hoping that, because the trailer or the teaser looks amazing. At the same, the like book started with the Egypt, that trailer is also starting in the Egypt, and they get on the cruiser. Then there is a 3-character love triangle, jealous feeling, and poor, rich, everything all about that, whatever it is in the book. So if you have not read any Agatha Christie books, then you can definitely pick up this book. But obviously, if you are not read any international book, this might not be your cup of tea. So make sure to read it or to understand what is the concept behind this. And if you love murder and detective, then definitely go for it. I'm going to make other videos on the Agatha Christie's book, sure. If you love this video, then make sure you like this video. I already made another video on the detective video, which is The Silent Patient by Alex. You can check this video here, and if you want to check more videos on the fiction books, then you can check this video. That will help you to understand. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, tata, take care.